Welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, here I'm going to first take a pan, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil, here I'm also going to be adding 5 chopped garlic cloves. Along with that, here I'm also going to add 3 chopped green chillies and 1 medium-sized sliced onion. After adding all these ingredients, I'm now going to mix all of this really well and fry this for a period of 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, once the onion turns to golden brown color, here I'm then going to add a tomato puree of 2 tomatoes. After adding the tomato puree, I'm now going to mix this really well with the onions and the rest of the ingredients and fry this for a period of 3 minutes until the time the tomato puree starts to become a little thick. After 3 minutes, once the puree blends well with the onions, here I'm then going to add the sauce and the spices, starting off with 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, half tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of lime juice, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix all of this really well and fry this for a period of 1 minute. After 1 minute, here you can then add half a red capsicum and half a yellow capsicum. You can now mix this really well with the spices, the onions and the sauces and fry this for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, here you can then add 100 grams or 5 chopped chicken sausages. After adding this, you can now once again mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients and you can fry this for a period of 5 minutes while ensuring that you're mixing it from time to time so that the masala does not get burned. After 5 minutes, lastly, here you can then add half teaspoon black pepper powder and 3 tablespoons of grated cheese. For this, here you can either add processed cheese or cheddar cheese. But as you can see here, I've used mozzarella cheese because I was unable to find the other two because of the lockdown. After adding the black pepper powder and the cheese, I'm now going to mix this really well and then switch off the flame and then your dish is ready to be served. So I really hope you did enjoy this recipe, and if you did, do try this out, and if you do like it, come back, like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.